G'day, welcome to Todd's Kitchen. With the current state of the world right now, there are quite a few items that are very hard to buy. One of them being hand sanitizer. I honestly can't find it anywhere because it's just sold out, and when they get stocked, it's sold out straight away. But it's very easy to make your own at home with just a couple of simple ingredients. So join me today as I show you how to make homemade hand sanitizer. Okay, so you only need two basic ingredients to make this version. First, we need some rubbing alcohol. Now you want a minimum, and I mean a minimum of 70% alcohol. But the higher the alcohol content, the better. So if you can get 99%, go for that. And for our second ingredient, some aloe vera. Now you're probably wondering, why do you need the aloe vera if you just use the alcohol? Basically, it just helps keep your hands nice and smooth, and it also reduces the harshness of the alcohol. So it is very important, especially when you'll be using this hand sanitizer regularly, considering the current environment. So it's pretty simple. We're doing a ratio of 3 to 1, or 3/4. So with our rubbing alcohol, I'm going to add in 3/4 of a cup. And then after that, we're just going to add in 1/4 cup of our aloe vera. So obviously it's better to put the alcohol in first, because then you get a proper amount added. Just makes it easier to know exactly what 1/4 cup is. And just simply give it a good stir to combine. Now if you don't like the harshness of the smell from the alcohol, which does dissipate very fast anyway, you can add some essential oils. But just be very careful, don't add citrus ones, as it can be somewhat harsh on the skin. So like a lavender type, if you like lavender, add some lavender. But something like that, just something that's non-citrusy, because the citrus one is a bit harsh on the skin. Okay, so I've moved it over to a whisk now that it's thickened up, so I'm not splashing myself. And as you can see, it's just turned into a nice paste. And that's perfect. So everything is completely combined. So what we have to do now is just pour it into a container. Now this one is a pump action one, so it makes it a lot easier. But a squirt bottle, if you don't have one of these, is perfectly fine as well. So what you have to do is just put a pump on your hands and then just rub it into every millimeter of your hands are covered in our antibacterial wash. So this will kill any type of germs, any viruses, be it the common cold or coronavirus. So you can take it with you and put it in the car, so you can use it when you get back from the shops, or you can just keep it at home and use it. You can choose different bottles. It would be a squeeze bottle, big one, small one, makes no difference. So it's very easy. So 3/4 of a cup of alcohol above 70%, and 1/4 cup of aloe vera, which will just help remove the harshness of the alcohol.